Hey everyone, so we have now added an interesting new app in our apps marketplace in Stackby. It's basically the global search app that we've all been looking for. With this app, you can search records from all the tables at once. So let's see how it works. So you click on your apps dashboard. So here I have a stack for in-house video production, and I've created a video production dashboard where I've added a summary box, a chart, a goal tracker, and a pivot table. Now I want to add a new global search app. So I'll just click to add app and add the search app. So now you will see in the search settings, you can search in one table and you can select the table. You can search in multiple tables and then select the table, or you can search in all the tables. You can also choose language that you want to search in. So English, German, Spanish, French, and Japanese is what we support today, and we'll continue to add more languages. I can even search on a specific column within a particular table. So I can select, let's just say, title or status or budget, and I can choose to search within these specific columns as well. So let's just say, I want to search within one table in videos on these three columns, and I save it. So if I add a search term, so you will see all these records are available in that particular table. So with budget, platform, so let's just say I want to search for YouTube. No data has been found. Or let's just say the budget is, say, 500. You will see that only one record is found where the budget is 500. So now what I want to do is I want to change this, and I want to use multiple tables where there are two tables now, videos and casts, and I want to search across these two tables, and I save it. Now you will see there is a search term with search in two tables, and I'll add travel. So there are 15 records found in the videos table, but there are 0 records found in the casts table. But let's just say I want to change this again to team and categories within the multiple table, and save it. So now I can search in all the tables. I add travel. So you will see in categories there is a record called travel. So I can search on those records as well. So you just add this app, the search app, to your stack, and you can search anytime, whatever you want. Let's just say I want to talk about shooting. There are 3 records found in this particular table and 0 records found in the other tables. So I can also individually open each of these records from here and then navigate to those records as well. So this becomes a super nifty app for teams to work on their workflows and to search anything within their stack in Stackby. Now imagine you have thousands of records into your stack, and previously we just had a single search bar per table. Now, with this global search app, you can search across your stack without any worries. So give this a try and let us know what you think. Thanks.